Hello my dear students, this is the exercise of page 60. Game. Who colored the circle first? See students, this is the game and you have to play with your friends. So this one is like an activity, so you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now, card puzzle. Over here card puzzle is there. Look carefully at the picture and get ready to the answer 4 questions. Okay, ready? They are asking us, ready? Yes or not? Yes, we are ready. So see over here, what is given? Here, this one is a sided, this one is a sided, this one is a sided, and over here, nothing is there. This one is a black. So let's see what type of question they asked to us. Now see. Divide the white area in square A into 2 equal parts. Got the answer? Was that easy? Now do the second question. So our first question is divide the white area in a square A. White area of the square A, we have to divide into how many parts? 2 equal parts. So see over here students. Here white area in a circle, it means these are here to here. These are the white areas. So we have to divide into half. It is very easy. How we can divide? Anyone can give me answer? Yes, simple. Just we draw the line over here. Then this is the half and this is the half. Both are equal parts. Divide into 2 equal parts. So here both are equal in parts. Understood? So this is the white area divided into 2 equal parts of the portion A. Is that clear students? So you have to use your pencil and do the line like this way. Okay. Was that easy? Yes. Now second one. Divide white area in a square B into 3 equal parts. Here 2 equal parts. Now we have to divide into 3 equal parts. That 2 is easy, isn't it? See, is easy or not? So you have to divide now into 3 equal parts of the B. Okay. So here a B is there. Yes, it is very easy. We have to divide this white portion into 3 equal parts. How we can divide? It's very easy. Like this way. So all are equal. This is the first, second and third, and all 3 are equal. Yes or not? So this one is divide white area of part B into 3 equal parts. Okay. So this way you have to divide. Now third one. Divide the white area in a square C into 4 equal parts. My God, now we have to divide into 4 equal parts. Is it a bit difficult? Don't worry, take your time. Only if you have given up, look for the answers. Here comes the last question. So last question, let it be. First C, we have to divide white area of square C into 4 equal parts. So where is the C? Here. Okay. So we have to divide into 4 equal parts. So it's a little difficult. Yes or not? So how we can divide? If we divide like this way, then only 3 parts. If we divide like this way, then this one is remaining. Okay. Which way we have to do the lines? See students. This way is okay. Question. This one is a black color already said. We have to divide this portion into 4 equal parts. Okay. So how we can divide? Yes, just we start from the here. Okay. This one is a mine. portion, because how we can do? See student, it's little difficult, so try to understand. This is the whole. Okay, one portion is sided. Okay, how much is remaining? This much is remaining. How much is remaining? This much is remaining. So we have to divide these into 4 equal parts. So same side we can do over here. Okay, and now just we are doing line. It is the same like this way, and here if we want to make same like this way, then here, and again it is a here. So this is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, we can divide into 4 equal parts like this way. Okay, understood students? So same way you have to draw with the exact measurement students. I am randomly doing, and with the scale you have to try like this way. Okay, 1, then here this is a 2, this one is a 3 and this one is a 4. So here white portion of square C is divided into 4 equal parts. Understood? Okay, move to the next. Divide the white area in a square D into 7 equal parts. What we have to do? We have to divide into 7 equal parts. So over here D is there. It's very easy. Just we have to move the line over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you have to draw the line like this only. Okay, either you can do like this way also students. Standing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this way also you can do, and like sleeping also you can do. I am doing like this way, but you have to use your scale and pencil. Okay, so this way you have to complete this exercise in your textbook only. Understood? Okay. Now the world record for this is 7 seconds, but you can take a minutes. Okay, so one record is that to solve these all the questions within a 7 minutes, but we will take the minutes. Try of thinking. Look for the answer in page 68. On the page 68 answers are given. So was that difficult? No, this one is a. Which one is a little difficult? Third one. Divide into 4 equal parts. Either first, second and fourth are easy. Yes or not? So same way students, you have to complete this exercise in your textbook. Thank you.